Hello friends, welcome to yet another video from this board. Today in this video, let us unbox the Playfit Slim, a newly launched smartwatch in India. As you can see on the back, it says that this product comes with an MRP of 4,999 rupees. However, this product is currently available on online and offline stores for just 3,999 rupees. As you can see, the box of the Playfit Slim looks a lot like an Apple Watch box with a vertical design. Now, let us peel off the plastic cover on top, and as you can see on the front, it also mentions some of the unique features of this product such as aluminum alloy body, up to 7 days playtime and customizable watch faces. As you can see, it comes with a neat packaging so that the device does not get damaged during the transit, and on the front it also has the actual picture of the smartwatch. If you look on the side of the smartwatch, it mentions some of the specifications of the device such as 1.3-inch round IPS display, customizable watch faces, 7 days of battery life, SpO2 monitor and more. And it also offers features like IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, 24 exercise modes, sleep monitor, step count monitor, and all this can be synced to a smartphone using the Playfit app. Now let us take the top box open, and the very first thing you will find inside the box is the actual watch itself, which is covered with a plastic film. Now let us look at the other components that are included with the retail package. As you can take this thermocol out, you can also take out the smartwatch out with ease. As you can see, it has a dial like button, which is a multi-purpose button. On the back, it has multiple sensors along with a charging pin which can be used to charge the device. As it says on the box, it should last for 7 days on a single charge. It also has built-in sensors like heart rate monitoring and SpO2 sensor, which is quite essential given the current situation. The very next thing in the box is the charging case itself. Again, this is a proprietary charging cable which can only be used with the Playfit smartwatch. And there is also a how-to guide where it says how you can pair the Playfit smartwatch with Android and iOS devices, supports Bluetooth 5.0 or above. Again, you have to download an app called Playfit app to pair this smartwatch with your smartphone. The very next thing is the customer details and the warranty manual. Now let us keep everything aside and look at the actual watch. Now pressing this multi-purpose button for a brief second will turn on the smartwatch. As you can see, it has a nice animation in the beginning which says play, which is also the brand logo. As you can see, this is one of the first watch faces that is available, and as we swipe on to the left to the right, you will get various features available, and if you swipe from top to bottom, you will also get the notification, and there are a lot of settings that you can toggle around. As this watch can be used with both Android and iOS devices, no matter which smartphone you have, you can easily pair this smartwatch and use it without any issue. It also has an active step counter, which is an interesting feature especially for those who jog or run on an everyday basis. Again, for the asking price of 3,999 rupees, this does look like a great product, and stay tuned for our full review to know more about this Playfit Slim smartwatch.